YouTube, I'm Crystal from Crystal Sews and Stuff on Instagram. Welcome back all my subscribers, and welcome to all of the new viewers today. Today I wanted to share with you my makes for the 2018 wardrobe contest on patternreview.com. This is a mini capsule wardrobe for spring summer for me. For the contest you had to make 6 items, 1 outer, 3 tops, and 2 bottoms. For the outer, I chose Butter at 6328 View C, and I chose this because I thought it was nice, lightweight, and I used a white cotton sateen with really big red and black flowers for the jacket. For the tops, well, the first top that I chose was New Look 6459, and I chose View B. But I added a band to the bottom to lengthen it a little bit because it was cropped. And when I tried it on and at the crop level, it was a little bit too short for my liking. So I just added a band to the bottom. So that was the only modification I made to this top. Oh, and I also used bias binding for the arm size because the facing that came with it was too large. The next thing that I made was the blank tee by Blank Slate Patterns, and I used a version that I saw in a tutorial on Melly Sews page, and for that I used a woven rayon challis for the front, and then a black jersey knit for the back. And the third top that I made was the Agnes top, and I chose a red and white floral stretch cotton jersey that I got from LA Finch Fabrics. And then for the bottoms, I made the Oceanside pants, again by Blank Slate Patterns, and I chose the pants version. I did one size smaller than my measurements because I've made this before, but I made it one size smaller so it wouldn't be quite as baggy. So I loved how they turned out, being just one size smaller, because they're already sized to be very loose fitted pants. And the last thing that I made was McCall 7392, and I chose View B that has the straight hem and just above the knee length. I still had to take it up because I'm quite short. I'm about 5'1", so I did have to take it up about 2 inches. Yeah, about 2 inches. I shortened it 2 inches, and I took in the waist about a ½ inch on each side, and on the side seams. So those are the only change, and I omitted the pockets and the carriers, which are belt loops, which I had to figure out. I was like, what are carriers? But carriers are belt loops if you ever make a pattern that says carriers. So now I know that carriers are belt loops. So those are the items that I made. Please have a look at my lookbook. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.